All right, so this sheet is very similar to the parallel lines one, but we are going to be working with perpendicular lines. So we're going to start off by graphing this line here. The y-intercept is 1. So on the y-axis, we are going to put a point at positive 1. Then the slope is 3. That's the same as 3 over 1. So we're going to go up 3 over 1. I don't really have space to do another one. I could maybe plot one here. I could also figure out where there's a point here. So I could go up 3 over 1. So there'd also be a point here and here. So there's the original line. Now I need to make something that is perpendicular that passes through this point. So I'm going to first plot this one, negative 6, 4. So for coordinates, we go over first. So I'm going to go over to negative 6, hop on the elevator and go up or down. So I'm going to go up to positive 4. So this is that point. Now for perpendicular situations, we have to take this and we have to find the opposite reciprocal. So it's going to be negative because this is positive. And then I'm going to flip this, so it would be 1 over 3. So our new slope is negative 1/3. So from this point, I'm going to go down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3, and here I hit the y-axis, down 1 over 3, down 1 over 3. All right, so this is the important point because that's going to help us write the equation. So for the equation, y equals, we have to have the perpendicular slope, so negative 1/3 x, and then our new y-intercept is at positive 2. Now let's try one without a graph. So we need to find something that is perpendicular to this equation that goes through this point. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this equation and I'm going to find the opposite reciprocal of this slope. So the opposite of a negative would be a positive, and then the reciprocal would be 3/4. And I like to write it top and bottom instead of a slash and writing it side by side. And then x, and then we're going to change the y-intercept, so I'm going to put a b there. So now I'm going to replace x and y with the numbers here. We have x first, then y. So y is 25. So I'll have 25 equals 3/4 times 12, and then plus b. I'll multiply the tops. 3 times 12 is 36. On the bottom we have 4. So if we do 36 divided by 4, we get 9. Then to get b by itself, we have to get rid of 9. So we're going to minus 9 on both sides. Therefore, 16 is b. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, but then I'm going to replace the b with 16. So y equals 3/4 x plus 16 is the equation of the perpendicular line.